3 reasons why you should have a holding company. Are you running a profitable business but feeling unsure if you're truly protecting your wealth? What if I told you there's a simple yet powerful strategy that could shield your hard-earned assets, help you save thousands in taxes, and even set you up for long-term success? In this video, I'm sharing the top 3 reasons why setting up a holding company or HoldCo might be the smartest financial decision you ever make. Whether you're a business owner just starting to see profits or a seasoned entrepreneur looking for smarter ways to manage your wealth, this is a strategy that you don't want to miss. Let's dive in. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Darcy Bell and I'm a certified financial planner with IG Wealth Management. I specialize in helping business owners and professionals just like you grow, protect, and optimize their wealth. If you enjoy clear, actionable advice on managing your finances, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with others who could benefit. And if you have any questions as we go, feel free to drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. When it comes to protecting your wealth, setting up a holding company is one of the smartest tools you can use. It's not just for the ultra wealthy. It's for anyone who wants to safeguard their assets, build a tax-efficient strategy, and create a solid foundation for their financial future. Let's break it down, starting with the first and most critical reason: asset protection. Let's face it, every business comes with risk. If you're running an operating company or OpCo, all of its assets, cash, investments, real estate, are tied to the business itself. That means if something goes wrong, such as a lawsuit or bankruptcy, all of those assets could be at risk of being lost. But here's where a holding company can make a big difference. By transferring passive assets like cash, investments, or real estate out of your operating company and into a holding company or HoldCo, these assets are effectively shielded from creditors or liabilities tied to the operating business. For example, let's say you own a construction company. One day, an accident on site leads to a lawsuit, and the business is found liable for damages. Without a HoldCo, any cash or investments sitting in your OpCo are fair game for creditors. But if you've already moved those assets into a HoldCo, they're protected and untouchable. Think of the HoldCo as your financial safety net. The moment your operating company starts accumulating more cash than you need for daily operations, that's the time to start a conversation with your financial advisor or accountant about setting up a HoldCo. Your future self and your peace of mind will thank you. The second reason to set up a HoldCo is the tax efficiency and payment flexibility it provides. Here's an example. Imagine you and a business partner each own shares of your operating company. The business generates $1 million in profit, and without a HoldCo, those profits must be distributed as dividends or salary. That means both you and your partner are required to declare the income and pay taxes on it, whether or not you need the money. With a HoldCo, it's a completely different story. Instead of paying yourself and your partner directly, the operating company can transfer dividends to your respective HoldCos. Once the money is in the HoldCo, you're in control of how and when you withdraw it. Let's say you only need $100,000 for personal expenses this year. You can withdraw that amount from your HoldCo, pay taxes on just that portion, and let the remaining $900,000 stay in the HoldCo, where it continues to grow at a lower corporate tax rate. This strategy does 2 things. 1, it defers taxes on the majority of your profits, allowing your money to compound and grow within the corporation. And 2, it gives you flexibility to withdraw the funds in a way that aligns with your lifestyle and future goals. The ability to control the timing and the amount of withdrawals from the HoldCo provides significant flexibility in managing personal income and taxes. Over time, this tax deferral can save you hundreds of thousands of dollars, leaving you in a better position. Finally, let's talk about how a HoldCo can help when buying or selling a business. If you're planning on selling your operating company in the future, a HoldCo is essential for optimizing your tax position, particularly when it comes to the lifetime capital gains exemption. This exemption allows you to avoid taxes on the first $1.25 million of capital gains when selling shares of a qualifying operating corporation. But here's the catch. To qualify for the lifetime capital gains exemption, your operating company must meet strict criteria, including limits on passive assets like cash, investments, or real estate not used for the active business operations. If your business is holding too much cash or other non-operating assets, you risk disqualifying yourself from the exemption. By transferring excess assets to your HoldCo, you can purify your operating company, ensuring it meets lifetime capital gains exemption criteria and saving you hundreds of thousands of dollars in taxes. On the flip side, if you're looking to buy a business, using a HoldCo can make the process far more tax efficient. For instance, if you're borrowing money to finance the purchase, a HoldCo can help structure the transaction in a way that minimizes your tax burden. If you're running a profitable business, a HoldCo isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Of course, every situation is unique, so it's important to consult with an experienced tax advisor, that being an accountant or a lawyer, who can work with your financial advisor to determine the best strategy for you. If you'd like to explore whether a HoldCo is right for you, click on the link in the description to book a free, no obligation consultation with me. I'll help you create a plan to protect your assets and make the most of your hard-earned wealth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. And I'll see you in the next video.